Scale your HVAC business with SubcontractorHub. Simplify your operations with our easy-to-use sales and project management features, the asset-light path to growth. Build branded HVAC proposals in just a few minutes. Make selling simple with comparative category selection and an inbuilt SEER calculator. Use AI-powered product comparison to evaluate an existing unit against your offerings and generate a detailed recommendation for your customer. Streamline HVAC sales with direct financing from top industry lenders. Execute projects flawlessly and secure funding in record time. Order services. Create service tickets for homes, assign tasks, and track project progress with ease. Leverage real-time analytics with reports and dashboard. Improve efficiency and accuracy with our extensive integrations. One platform, unlimited proposals, unlimited users. No excuses. Unleash the potential of your HVAC business with SubcontractorHub.